here we are back with an unboxing. Now, this I purchased not so long ago. It's probably been about 2 to 3 months, so maybe a quarter of a year is quite a while, I guess. But I did purchase a Sony A7III last year for my Hawaii trip, as I said so in a previous video. But I actually didn't buy any lenses for it. I borrowed a buddy's 24 to 70 f4 lens and just used that for the majority of that trip. It was a good lens, and really the reason I purchased it was to test out the focal distance as well as can I get away with just an f4 lens. I'm pretty used to having a f2.8 lens, and I have like the Trinity for my Canon system. So being that I'm swapping over to Sony, I didn't know if I wanted to spend all that money again. Well, I knew I didn't want to spend all that money again, so I decided I would try out the f4 system. Sony has amazing ISO performance, and so I was figuring, can I get away with f4? And sure enough, yeah, I felt perfectly at home using that. Figured that I've only was like hurting for higher ISO performance or higher or lower f-stop performance, you know, that 2.8 maybe once or twice during the entire trip, which that's fine. I took a shot and just bracketed it and was able to do kind of like an HDR, I think they're called, photo, where I could just put 3 photos, one that was one stop underexposed, one was perfectly exposed, and then one was one stop overexposed, and mended those photos together, and I'm happy with the results. So that being said, I decided to go ahead and pick up the 24-105 lens, and this is the lens that I brought to Las Vegas with me. It was the only lens I brought, and it worked beautifully in Las Vegas. I had no issues. I do wish that I kind of brought a tripod so I could do more of those bracketing shots Las Vegas nights, but whatever's, you know, that's just how it goes. But enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of this deal. Alright, and so here we are back with a better view of the new Sony 24-105 f4 GOSS, or optically stabilized lens. And, well, let's go ahead and just dig right into it. We're gonna go ahead and just pop it open. It was on sale at B&H, so I decided to go ahead and pick one up because I didn't have a lens technically. I do have the 85, but I'm borrowing my friend's 24 to 70 f4. And so I figured as soon as I could pick one lens up that I could really just use as an all-around deal, I would do so. And so here we are, and oh, it came with a free circle polarizing filter, which is pretty cool. But okay, so we have our manuals. Wow, a lot of manuals. Looks like some guarantees and the warranty. And then we have, out of the bag, a nicer Sony leather or pleather bag. Looks like it's really wrapped in there. Let's see how we can get into here. Oh gosh. Alright, and then that is empty. Yep. Okay. And then we have really nice wrapped there we are. E-mount 24-105, and it came with a lens hood. Kind of nice. I actually use them, so. And then it is a telescoping lens. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, still pretty smooth for now. Wonder how long that'll last. Typically with the way I'm running around, that gets weak over time. But yeah, this is pretty much the only lens that I'm probably going to get. If there is one more lens that I might look at, it's the 24 prime. It's like 1.8 or 1.4. It's the only other lens that I actually have a little bit of interest in. But for now, I really want to just travel with one camera, one lens, and I think this will be able to do it for me. So sweet. Be able to add this to the camera and return my buddy's 24 to 70 f4. Awesome. Well, until the next time. Peace.